Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create memes and social media graphics with Ideogram. Let's get started. First, go to Ideogram app using your mobile phone and log in with your Google account. Then here, enter your meme or graphic prompt. In the prompt bar, type what you want the meme or social post to show. Like for this example meme, when the Wi-Fi disconnects during a Zoom call, a funny meme, white background, cartoon style, and use text tags for style. To control how your graphic or meme looks, include a style keywords like bold text, handwritten, minimal design, funny meme, comic style, and social media template. And add or avoid elements using prompt. You can include negative prompts too for cleaner results and tap generate and wait for a few seconds and tap image to save or download your meme or graphic. And once you save the image, you can open the Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platform and upload the graphic as post or story. And tips for a catchy memes or graphics. You can use a short or relatable phrases. You can combine emotion plus humor or inspiration. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.